Throw you off in Lambos out on Collins. I be.
Obesity is a complex disease involving an excessive amount of body fat. Obesity isn't just a cosmetic concern. It is a medical problem that increases your risk of other diseases and health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, and certain cancers. Welcome to the channel Health for Life. In this video, I will tell you about 10 deadly diseases that can cause due to obesity. So let's start. Number 1. Type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a disease that occurs when your blood glucose, also called blood sugar, is too high. About 8 of 10 people with type 2 diabetes are overweight or have obesity. Over time, high blood glucose leads to problems such as heart disease, stroke, kidney disease, eye problems, nerve damage, and other health problems. If you are at risk for type 2 diabetes, losing 5 to 7% of your body weight and getting regular physical activity may prevent or delay the onset of type 2 diabetes. Number 2. High blood pressure. High blood pressure, also called hypertension, is a condition in which blood flows through your blood vessels with a force greater than normal. High blood pressure can strain your heart, damage blood vessels, and raise your risk of heart attack, stroke, kidney disease, and death. Number 3. Heart disease. Heart disease is a term used to describe several problems that may affect your heart. If you have a heart disease, you may have a heart attack, heart failure, sudden cardiac death, angina, or an abnormal heart rhythm. High blood pressure, abnormal levels of blood fats, and high blood glucose levels may raise your risk for heart disease. Blood fats, also called blood lipids, include HDL cholesterol and triglycerides. Losing 5 to 10% of your weight may lower your risk factors for developing heart disease. If you weigh 200 pounds, this means losing as little as 10 pounds. Weight loss may improve blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and blood flow. Number 4. Stroke. Stroke is a condition in which the blood supply to your brain is suddenly cut off, caused by a blockage or the bursting of a blood vessel in your brain or neck. A stroke can damage brain tissue and make you unable to speak or move parts of your body. High blood pressure is the leading cause of strokes. Number 5. Osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is a common, long-lasting health problem that causes pain, swelling, and reduced motion in your joints. Being overweight or having obesity may raise your risk of getting osteoarthritis by putting extra pressure on your joints and cartilage. Number 6. Some cancers. Cancers is a collection of related disease. In all types of cancers, some of the body cells begin to divide without stopping and spread into surrounding tissues. Overweight and obesity may raise your risk of developing certain types of cancer. Number 7. Kidney disease. Kidney disease means that your kidneys are damaged and can't filter blood like they should. Obesity raises the risk of diabetes and high blood pressure, the most common cause of kidney disease. Even if you don't have diabetes or high blood pressure, obesity itself may promote kidney disease and quicken its progress. Number 8. Pregnancy problems. Overweight and obesity raise the risk of health problems that may occur during pregnancy. Pregnant women who are overweight or obese may have a greater chance of developing gestational diabetes, having preeclampsia, high blood pressure during pregnancy, which can cause severe health problems for mother and baby if left untreated, needing a cesarean section or C-section, and as a result taking longer to recover after giving birth. Number 9. Gallbladder disease. Overweight and obesity may raise your risk of getting gallbladder disease for such as gallstones and cholestasis. Imbalances in substances that make a bile cause gallstone. Gallstones may form if bile contains too much cholesterol. And last but not the least, number 10. Fatty liver diseases. Fatty liver diseases are conditions in which fat builds up in your liver. Fatty liver diseases include non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases, NAFLD, and non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH. Fatty liver diseases may lead to severe liver damage, cirrhosis, or even liver failure. Do exercise regularly in any form and eat healthy to control your growing fat and for weight loss, and live healthy and happy. If you like this video, give thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.